Hello friends, in this video we are going to explore four Trikonas of a birth chart. So the four triangles in a birth chart, as you will see further in this video, corresponds to the primary goals of human life: Dharma, Arth, Kama, Moksha. The righteousness, wealth, desire, and the liberation. So in a birth chart, the triangle, the house is in triangle. Let's say starting from the first house, the fifth house, and the ninth house. The trines are called Dharma Trikona, and they are linked with fire element. The focus of this triangle is about self, identity, and the duty. And also they are called as Lakshmi Sthana. So just like the Kendras, the 1, 4, 7, 10 as a group are called Vishnu Sthana. Same way, 159, where 1 is common house, it's also a Trikona as well as Kendra. They are the Lakshmi Sthanas. And the nature that this Dharma Trikon brings around is more about a merit you bring from the past life. That's your fifth house, the Purva Punya Bhava. Also, the first house is all about your nature, the character, and the ninth house about following the righteous path. Uh, to some extent, teaching element, the element about mentors, teachers in your life, and religion. Earth Trikon 2, 6, and 10. These houses are related to earth element. The focus is on work, material stability, even and business acumen. So it's all about the second house, the accumulated wealth, the hard work and discipline. That's your sixth house. And the 10th house is the career. So it helps you in sustenance, the sustenance of yours and your family. Kama Trikon 3, 7, and 10. This is all about your desires. Is linked to air element. The focus is more about relationships, one's ambitions, desires in life. Third house, the first of the Kama Trikon, is all about the self efforts, courage, actions. Seventh is all about partnerships, relationships, marriage. And 11th house is your ambition, the social circle, and fulfillment of the long term desires. Now, Moksha Trikon, the last of the triangles, is 4, 8, 12 house, and it's linked with water element, and this is all about inner peace, liberation, and transformation. So these three words defines it. Let's say the fourth house is all about peace, emotional security. Eighth is transformation, and 12th is the liberation. Now, most of you who are viewing may already know about these triangles and triangles, and one thing that kind of self help to know about what's more operational in your life, in your birth chart, what you lack, and what's more as per your birth chart. We can do this exercise. So, in this example one, let's say the trines Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, and all the elements, all the planets listed there are categorized. So Dharma Trikon, there is Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus, and Saturn. There's a first house, fifth house, and ninth house. We have listed all the planets there. In Earth Trikon, there is only Ketu. There's 2, 6, and 10th house. Kama Trikon 3, 7, 11 is empty. And Moksha, the liberation, that's 4, 8, 12. There is Rahu and Jupiter. So what we can conclude from this birth chart and this categorization is that yes, the self-awareness about following a duty, about the self-identity and everything is very prominent in the chart. Now what this chart lacks is that ambition, that effort to push towards it. So those are the areas that needs some attention or that needs to be harnessed further. Same way, another example. Here in this case, in Dharma Trikona, there is Sun and Moon. This is the first house. Artha Trikon, again here 2, 6, 10 is empty. Kama Trikon is Rahu, Jupiter, Mercury, Venus, Saturn. 3, 7, and 11 house. And Moksha Trikon is Ketu, 4, 8, and 12. So again here as we see, the Kama Trikon is highly energized with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 planets therein, whereas the Artha Trikon 2, 6, 10 is empty. So what happens here is a person has more plans, good strategy, more on the imagination level, what he desires, what he needs to be. But the 2, 6, 10, the practical part of it is little amiss. So what needs to be done here is whatever the ambition and desires are there, you should plan that in a practical world, what will you do? Okay, you want to be a president. Okay, then you should first prepare a plan or strategy of what you are going to do, right? The years it may take, another situation. Then after carving out the plan, take actions on that. So same way here, what is on the imagination level is little difficult to put in a practical level, and facing the challenges or awareness and the person being ready to face those challenges is little bit amiss as per this chart. So likewise, everyone can analyze different charts by categorization of the primary goals of life, dharma, artha, kama, moksha, and come to some conclusion where some remedies or few things can be paid more attention, and the whole chart can be balanced. So thanks friend for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you really like it. And you are watching the Jupiter retrograde channel. Thank you.